Hi everyone, how you doing out there? I am Jennifer Roberts, and I'm starting a new company. It's Roberts Integrity Enterprise. We're offering a new social media site which will enable everyone. Our company is all about enabling, empowering, and energizing consumers and companies. You will have access to ads on demand as per relevance. Then Google will send you similar ads at the side of your incoming messages. So it relates, and people gravitate to that. They love it. Ads on demand as per relevance, plus busy professionals will be able to have access to various Word programs, Excel, Microsoft Word, all various things that contributes to success in the workplace. This is what we need today. Multifunctionality with efficiency. We also provide creativity services, engaging content. I am a creative writer and so happy to be a bubbling new company here for you. You may contact me at lifefortheliving@gmail.com.